Hey, today we'll be unboxing the Nothing Phone 3A plus a small charger, and I'll slightly compare it to the Nothing Phone 2A. So let's actually begin with the charger. It's a 45 watt power charger that I got free with pre-order of the Nothing Phone 3A. Yeah, there's not much else to say about it. The unboxing experience is seamless and the same as with always. Every Nothing product is the same. Rip it open and then just get the things out. Okay, why do I have a booklet with the charger? Well, whatever. Nothing else in the box. And now let's get the charger out. Let's get the charger out. Okay, let's take it. Okay. Holy, this is heavy. This is more heavy than I expected a charger to be. But okay, it feels really, really well weighty, and oh, there's still plastic on it. Oh, is this all plastic? Let's get it off and let's get it. Oh, okay, no. This is the charger itself. Okay, that is interesting. That's a interesting design, and it's still really weighty. Well, let's test it later with the phone. Now unboxing the Nothing Phone 3A and comparing it. So there's nothing on the side. It looks like the standard. The opening is on the back and some blah blah on the back side. So let's open it up. Okay, that's not what I expected. Let's actually... so they changed the packaging for their phones. Okay, let's get it out. And... okay, the inside is still the same. Oh, I like those textures on their boxes. It's really a great unboxing. And the phone... ooh, nice text there. And the phone itself. Also really weighty. Much more weighty than the 2A. Not by much, but it is definitely more weighty. Cable. The cable doesn't look as great as the one that I got with the 2A. Where do I get it? Here. So this one had the transparent form, and this one is just a, well, box. I'm more in favor of the Phone 2A cable. Let's unpack. QR code. Probably for an app or something. Rip it open. And okay, that's the tactile button. Oh, the back is much nicer than on the 2A. This looks more like looking into a glass window. That's a really nice thing, especially on black. And it's a bit bigger in my opinion. Let's take a closer look. I really like it. It's, well, it's a black square, but it's a great looking black square, and I like the form factor. Let's compare it. Okay, the form factor is much better than on the 2A. It's more balanced, if I can say, even though it has now 3 camera lenses instead of 2. Buttons feel nice. They're tactile. The tactile AI button, or whatever it's called, is more clicky. It looks good. Oh, let's actually turn it on and install all the shit, and we'll see us in the review in about 2 weeks, I guess.